Hi everyone, I am here with the moment that at least I've been waiting for. We're putting together our Something Blue 3-ring binder journal. So I have my 3 rings. These are from inside to inside about 1.5 inches. From outside to outside it's closer to 1 3/4 inch. But you could probably use bigger ones. I probably wouldn't go smaller. I'm curious to see how this comes together because we ended up adding, you know how it goes, lots of stuff to our journal. So I wanted to talk a little bit about how I'm punching the holes. So I made a kind of a template for it. I cut a piece of cardstock the same size as each page, and then I just took a little ruler and I made a line. I just followed the line on my ruler. It is, let me give you an exact measurement. Oh, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5/8 of an inch from the edge to here. So I made that line and figured that's kind of the area I wanted to focus on. And then I just marked the center of it. And then I just kind of picked about, I can tell you if it helps, but yours might be different, and the way your hole punch works might be a little different too. So the center of that circle is almost at 1 inch, the center of the circle, and then that means this one down here, if I come up from the edge, it's also almost at 1 inch. So they're about 1 inch from the edges, and then 1 in the center. Just depending on your size of printer, that might be slightly different. I have a few different kinds of hole punches. At first I thought I'll just do it with my Crop-o-Dile with the larger hole setting. It's quite a bit. Let me show you. This is the size of those holes compared to this. So you can kind of see that even with that big hole, the Crop-o-Dile holes were pretty small. And I thought it might be nice to have them a little bigger, so that this larger part of the ring can move through those holes. So I went ahead and I have just a regular old hole punch like this. I also have this old vintage one that is really good for thicker stuff. So we're just going to kind of start punching through these, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. Some of them are pretty hard, like this one right here. You're going through 3 layers of cardstock. So as you can imagine, that can be a little challenging on some of these. So what I have done is I just have a couple of binder clips to hold those in place while I'm punching everything, just to keep it steady. You can see I didn't do very good, so now this hole is twice the size that it originally was, but that's okay. So that one's fairly easy. Most of them are fairly easy. It's just when you get extra layers, it might be a little more of a challenge. So far, so good. So let's go ahead and punch through the rest of them. Okay, there we have it. They look awesome. Now, if we've done our job right, we made sure that things were out of this area so we wouldn't be punching through anything there. So keep that in mind when you're punching. If you want, you could put down reinforcers. Mine are made with cardstock. They're pretty heavy duty. I don't feel like a reinforcer is going to do me any good. So I'm not going to worry about that at all. I'm just going to kind of lay these out, and if there's any too similar, I'm going to make sure they're not by each other. And now I'm going to kind of just lay out. I like how that looks next to each other. If if I want that same pattern echoed. I like this. Yeah, I think I like that. I mean, it really probably doesn't matter. I know I want this one at the back because I want a simple pocket in the back. I designed that to be fairly easy and simple at the back of my journal. Love it. Love it and love it. Okay, so once you pick your order, then we're just gonna line these up and we're gonna wiggle these through. This might take a second, so let's get to work. All right, there's one of them. So this is good. We're doing good. It's not so super alligatory as I thought it might end up being, because this really gives it a good amount of room to lay fairly flat. You guys, I love it. I love this. I love this journal so much. Oh my heavens. Okay, I just want you all to get to hold this. This is super fun. All right, so let's do the other two. And there you have it. I love it. I love how this turned out. If you wanted, you could tie like sari silk ribbon along here or do a cute charm dangling, which would be really fun. I might do that later. For now, let's just do kind of a walkthrough. You've seen these enough that this shouldn't be earth-shattering, but I just want you guys, it's fun. It's fun to hold. It's really pretty. It's super, let me show you how thick. But it does lay very flat, so that's nice with these rings. They do the trick very nicely. All right, so we have our cute circle tags. We have our really simple giant tag here. We have our pull that out belly band tag, pocket with some cute tags here with an extra secret spot. This one we have 3 tiny pockets with the big huge pocket in the back, and that's good to know. I didn't catch anything in there. Remember when we put this one together, we glued over through here so that this giant tag wouldn't accidentally slide over here and end up getting punched. We have our pocket tag, our really involved pocket tag with all the cuteness. Oh my heavens, I love it. We have this one with our cute little things tucked back in there that opens up. I'll even open it for you. Look how cute. Cute, cute. Our mini envelopes with cuteness inside. Our tags that if we pull them all out, then this opens up and there's journaling and spot for pictures. So that one's fun. Our cute little side open flap that opens up, and we have a belly band with some ephemera and some tiny pockets with cute things. I love this. I love this so much. Another side pocket, but with mini items. More small items instead of one big item. And then our teeny tiny envelopes with 3 little pull-outs. Oh, I love this one. And then our envelopes that open up. If we can do it. With cute things inside. Isn't that fun? And trying not to bend that too much. We got this. And we have this side pocket with several small cards to pull out. We have this circle journal spot that opens up with the tags behind it. Oh, this got caught. There we go. Our waterfall got caught on that. I might switch the order of that because these are gonna get caught on this. Our little flaps that open up, tag, tag, baby tags, and our cute waterfall with all sorts of good things in here. So fun. And our very teeny journaling spots with the huge tall tag behind. And we have our cute little envelope that acts as a belly band as well. And this opens up for some cute journaling space. And on the very back, a cute little pocket, really simple so that it's not falling out. And that's one that I said you could go ahead and just leave it blank if you want. Okay, there it is. There is the completed masterpiece. I am in love. I'm in love with this. I hope you love it too. I'm going to be making some other varieties. I think, don't quote me on this, I think the next one I want to do is going to be a Christmas version. So I'm super excited to start getting ready and getting in the spirit of Christmas. So there you have it, and let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.